දැන් කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවද මට කියන්න බලන්න ටිකක් අඩුවෙන් තේරිච්ච අය අද? මට කියන්න බලන්න ඉන්නවනම් බය නැතුව කියන්න.
Hello. Yes, sir. Accidentally, I saw your YouTube video. Then I followed your YouTube videos
Yeah.
always,
Yeah.
so many times. Then I joined. I
School
decided to
time?
join with you.
School time?
No, no. I have been working as a nursing officer.
Yeah.
I have been learning English for several years.
Yeah.
It's a long period, but I couldn't speak English. So now I think this is the real way.
Thank you.
First of all, thank you for you. And we don't feel we are in the classroom. It is very natural
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
very friendly.
Yeah.
We are.
Yeah.
So thank you for your all grammar lessons. All lessons are yes. So thank you very much for you.
Yeah. Nila, yeah, that's all.
Yes.
Actually, the thing is, actually, I try my best to, I mean, go to a sort of an environment so that you forget that you are learning language. Then that is the point that you learn the language. Clear?
Yes, sir. Got it.
That is it. Okay, thank you, Nila.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hello.
I work as a tourist. Yes, I am to work as a tourist driver. I
Oh,
want to become a tourist
why?
guide.
Yeah.
Uh, because last few years I tried to many ways to learn the English, and I went to individual class. I went to group class, but I couldn't to, yeah, still I couldn't speak English fluently,
Yeah.
and also I spent a lot of money also there.
Yeah.
Uh, last month, or maybe last month, I found your YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I also see that your program. I think I just get got the good part to English. English. I hope I joined today, sir.
Ah,
I
really?
not like
Ah, ah,
yeah, today I'm
ah,
prepared.
ah.
Yes, last yesterday evening I joined your class. I hope to.
Yeah.
Because I read up to my English, I decide to know I don't become the tourist guides. I work as a tourist driver.
Yeah.
But I hope I can reach my hope. Sorry.
I'll supply you with the materials that you need, okay? Yeah,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
if you are
Thank
in a
you.
particular field, just tell me, let me know. The, for your job, I give you materials that you need, okay? Uh,
Yes, thank you, sir.
you understand, right?
Mm.
Yeah,
Thank you
okay.
so much.
I saw you content accidentally in YouTube, so I follow that method previously. So it's very hard for me at the beginning, but I think it's really worked now.
Ah,
So I want to thank to you.
yeah, yeah. It worked for you. It really happens.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Stories. Stories are best for few reasons. One is stories have the common words that we basically use. Normally, stories are the normal words that we use in conversations. And it is repetition. The words come again and again. And stories are interesting. So, therefore, stories are considered to be the best thing to learn a language. Yeah. How about the other people? Hello? Yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes, I can understood everything. Yes, sir.
Hello? Yes?
Yes, sir. I can understood everything. Your
Oh,
lesson is very good.
thank you
Very,
very much. Yeah.
yes,
So, do you understand that when English is not really difficult, but the teacher
I
should have a
understood,
good
sir.
flow. The
I
teacher should
understood
have a good
everything.
flow. The teacher should have a command of the language. That is
Yes,
only that.
yes,
If I
yes,
cannot
sir.
express something in different ways, you are learning sort of a flat thing. Do you understand what I say? Hello?
Yes,
That
yes,
is
sir.
it.
Yes,
So
yes,
that is it. Do you
yes,
feel
sir.
that learning English through English is good? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, I like more. learning English to and English to English.
Yeah.
English, yeah, I find you after I find you I speak inside and write inside increase very I can't think how but those day I can't I did not I can't speak English.
Yeah.
At the age of my school time, I could not know anything to in English.
Yeah.
At first time also, but now I can speak English. I
Really?
can write. Yes, sir.
You are
I
following.
find
You are following that program that Total Immersion this thing. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yeah. YouTube videos.
YouTube video. Accidentally, I met you through in internet. Yeah. No, anybody is told about you. I find English more details in English through internet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Through YouTube,
Yeah.
I find your details.
Yeah. 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 I think I'm
After
the.
I follow your opinion.
Yeah.
Uh, so my English knowledge increase.
Really. Thank you very much for the
Yeah,
comments.
I expect any time for you. Expect.
The thing actually, I think I'm the only guy, I mean, who has done sort of stories and things in Sri Lanka. I think good number of stories, 140, I think that is. Yeah, okay. Quite
Yes, sir.
okay. Now, this level is okay,
Okay,
no
sir.
problem. Is it good? Yeah.
Everything is understood, sir.
Yes, tell us things.
Okay, okay, sir. Actually, I watched a lot of videos of you on YouTube and
Yeah.
you and other people,
Yeah.
and then I realized the best method of gain our speaking skill in any language, comprehensible in good method,
Yeah.
and then I really good thing for us.
Yeah.
Oh, now everything is okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes I speak someone I use some your words, you words,
Yeah.
something like that, like
Yeah. Yeah.
a sort of yes, like everything.
Automatically it comes, naturally it comes. Okay, don't worry.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is the first time, sir, I totally immersed in English.
Yeah.
I never I have never experienced total immerse.
Yeah. Yeah.
Before that, I English and Sinhala. I think it's that's the reason is we can't speak in English, especially our hearing ability is very low, sir. We
Yeah.
can't
Yeah.
catch others, especially native speakers. What I say,
Yeah.
I think this is a very good thing.
Yeah.
I followed your English videos.
Yeah.
I think we will catch everything in this method, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. Before that, we going to translate method.
Yeah.
We can't say that method we can't speak naturally.
Yeah. Yeah.
Always
Yeah. Yeah.
think and translate, think and
Yeah.
translate,
Yes.
and hear and translate.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
a very
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
very hard method.
Yes.
Very hard. Yes.
Yes. Now, actually, what's your name? Hello, what's your name?
And now I think and talk with you.
Yeah. 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 That is it.
If
If
that's a
it
way.
is in a